this is Vicki Walker on behalf of ExpertVillage. We're continuing with our work on the baby doll sleeping bag for little dolls about this size, and we've found out that the size is going to work just fine. So I need to, now that all three pieces are sewn together, the top, the lining, and the inside quilted piece, I'm going to baste these pieces together, but I'll pin them first. I'll baste them from about halfway down and then around to the bottom. And I'll be sewing a little, or about a half an inch from the edge. We'll be applying the trim to cover the edge in just a moment. So none of these raw edges will be showing. I'll continue this seam on around to the bottom, and in the next step we'll be applying the trim.